Blessed day mga ka-projects. So ngayon, dito tayo ngayon sa Kalipaan, Singan, Pangasinan, single story residential building. So as you can see, modern American style bungalow house. So we're excited to let you see this project from us. So let's go. So let's start here sa ating pasad. As you can see here, so you can see on the background na we have a Cuatro Aguas roofing in tile span without gutter. So the client want it to have a roof na walang gutter. On the roof eaves, as you can see, there's a wood grain spandrel. This roof eaves na may generous amount of lighting with MR16 housing na lights, LED lights na mag-illuminate sa bahay kapag gabi. So here sa ating wall, we have here of off-white color ng ating wall na plain with the matching moldura, yung mga kulay dark na yan. You can see the analog windows na marami siyang partition to have that more American look. So we have here the combination of these wall lamps na tutugma sa ating team. So pagdating naman dito, we have here sa railings natin is mga more on dark color railings na very minimal lang yung design niya na nagbi-blend dito sa color ng ating hagdan and the terrace, which is a matte medium gray color na to ensure na hindi siya madulas kapag nababasa or nauulanan para po safe yung mga papasok or tatambay dito. So here also you can see from the terrace, yung moldura natin, wall lamps, the wood grain spandrel with the still generous amount of lighting para maliwanag siya kapag gabi. So tara, pasok tayo. So pag pumasok tayo dito, as you can see here, we have a customized paint which is satin. So hindi siya matte, hindi siya semi-gloss or gloss. It's between semi-gloss and the matte sheen of paint. So we have satin here, hindi siya ganun ka matte, hindi rin siya ganun ka-glossy. Here on the interior, you can see here, bubungad na agad sa atin yung common area nila. So, by the way, this house is a 80 square meter bungalow house. May 2 bedroom siya na medyo malaki. And we have here our open type floor plan from the living room, kitchen, dining room, and the laundry area and the storage area. So here, we are here on the living area. So here, wala pa po tayong masyadong mga gamit. Here, umpisa tayo sa ceiling. We have a white color ceiling na satin din yung finish niya, which is hypoallergenic. Yung from floor to ceiling ang height niya. So we have a generous amount of drawers, swing doors. The ref is encased with cabinets. Naka-box up siya para mas maganda tignan. So, here, gumamit tayo ng quartz na plain, which is a double ball nose na makapal siya. Hindi lang siya yung basta-basta manipis na quartz. Then, here, we have here yung cove lighting sa mga ibaba ng to have a more stunning look on the kitchen. We have here mga saksakan. Here, we have the L-shape or U-shape rather na kitchen with recess for mga upuan to sit in to. Then, we have here our double sink with the flexible, yung faucet niya flexible. And also, this is a hot and cold system. So, sa left, hot siya. Sa right, cold siya. Soap dispenser. Then, dito yung ating stove. Yung cooktop. Nandito yung ating exhaust hood. Ayun, still with the generous amount. Yung buong kitchen yan, minaximize namin to have a very, very wide variety of storage spaces. Pag pumunta tayo dito, nandito yung dating laundry. So, we have a separate sink here beside the washing machine, which is front load. Front load siya. May Generous space din na nandito. Cabinets, up and down. Then, from here, nandito yung ating rear door going to the rear part of the house. Dito, pababa rin yung hagdan niya. Meron din tayong tube steel. So here, sa ating house, on the left portion of the house, we have the open concept floor plan na yung mga common areas. Then, if we go here sa right side, may tatlong pinto. So left and right are bedrooms. Then this middle one is the toilet. So unahin natin yung dalawang bedroom. The smaller bedroom, this one, we'll open the lights. So we have here from the ceiling, we have cove lightings na nakapalibot on the perimeter of the room. Then here we have yung nakatuck-in na curtains natin para nakatago siya. May railing siya doon, nilagyan namin. Then nakatago siya, parang wala siyang curtain. Hindi pa siya na-install pero both of the windows got the railings for the curtains. So meron tayong center lights, meron tayong pin lights, generous amount. Then yung flooring natin is tuloy-tuloy hanggang common areas, pareho lang siya. So this one is around 16 square meter of floor space. So maluwag siya. Right here on the second bedroom, as you can see, so this is the other bedroom na ating aanuin. So kung mapapansin nyo, inverted naman yung cove lighting niya, papunta naman dito sa gitna. Still, same design, simple siya. Meron siyang cove lighting, center lights, pin lights, generous amount. Maliwanag siya, especially kapag gabi. Then here, parehas lang, nakatago po yung kortina niya dito, nakatago yung kortina niya dito. Pag lumabas tayo dito, so in between the two bedrooms, makikita natin dito yung toilet natin. Pag binuksan natin to, so bubungad sa atin tong malaking mirror na to, na tricolor, bilog na mirror, then etong bilog na sink natin with the storage here. Then this cabinet and the mirror blends with the kalakata pattern na wall tiles natin from floor to ceiling. Then meron tayo ditong partition with the clear glass black frame na nakakombine dito sa wood na flooring, wood na wall tiles. We have here the piano hinge shower na 3-in-1. I mean 4-in-1 rather. Then pinapower din siya ng hot and cold system. We have the water closet, we have the bidet, we have the tall faucet, we have here the accessories. Then we have here cove lighting, spin lights, plain white with the accent of cove lighting there. We have here niches para hindi na po magsabit ng maraming sabunan dito. We have here niches for the soap for the owners to put their things here. Mga ka-projects, this ends our simple house tour. So I hope na nagandahan kayo sa bahay because we all have these hardships na itayo to, and we all have the efforts na together with my team na mapaganda ang every projects na ginagawa namin. So for more inquiries, contact us sa aming number na ipo-flash namin dito sa screen, sa aming email, or you can visit us sa aming office sa MacArthur Highway, Barangay Alipangpang, Surugi, Pangasinan. You can visit our office there and we can talk about your requirement, about your budget, about your dream house with us. So thank you very much. So see you on the next episode. Peace.